So in problem 3, we have 10 particles. There are 3 energy levels that they happen to be in, 0, 2, and 4E, where E is some quanta of energy. And we're told we have 0 particles we have 5 particles at 0, right? 5 at 0E. We have 3 at 2E, and we have 2 at 4E. And so the total energy for this part then is 0, right? Total energy here, 3, 3, and 6, and 2 is going to be 6E. That's our total energy at this point. And the total energy in this level is going to be 8E. And so total energy altogether is simply 8 plus 6 is 14E. All right, now work is done on this system. And when that work is done, all the energy levels are raised by 1. All right, and so the work is done. And so then you have 5 at 1E, you have 3 at 3E, and you have 2 at 5E. But then heat flows out of the system so that the total energy change throughout this process is 0. That means we've got to flow heat out of this in such a way that we get back to there being 0, there being a total of 14E. We start out with 14E. We've added a bunch of energy here, right? Because how much energy do we have here? This is 5E, 5E. This is 9E, and down here we have 10E. So we've got a total of 24E of energy, and we've got to somehow shed 10E. All right. All right. We've got to shed 10E. We've got to get rid of 10E of energy through heat. Well, these can't go any lower. The ones that are in 5, in 1E, that's as low as you can go. These could lose 2 each. All right. That would be a total of 4, but we've got to get another 6 out of this. Well, these 3 could also lose 2 each. That gets us to 6. So what are we going to end up with? We're going to end up with 8 at 1E for a total of 8E. And we're going to end up with 2 at 3E for a total of 6E. And that puts us back at our total energy of 14E. We got 0 in the upper energy level. All right? And there is no other way to get these to 14E. All right? We can't move one of these up. I guess we could. We could move one of these up and one of these down. Could we do that? No, because if we move one of these up, that adds to, oh, I guess that would work. Would that work? If I move one of these up to 5E and one down, that would also work. So there's another solution here I hadn't thought about. So the other solution that if you happen to get to, I might have to give you credit for, 8 at, pardon me, 9 at 1E is going to be 9E, and then 1 at 3E is going to be 1 at, pardon me, 5E is going to be 5E, and that's also going to be a total energy of 14E. So I guess I missed this one. All right, there we go. That's it for problem 3.